And then you're going to this page, because this is the site where you will get tons of free views for your offer. If you start affiliate marketing and you don't have a lot of money for ads, this is the method for you. Everything I show you in this video is free to use, so you don't need a penny to start. Watch this video till the end so you don't miss a step. First we need to pick a product. So we go to this site called clickbank.com and sign up or log in. Just go through the sign up process. It's easy to join. If you're not able to sign up, just write them an email to this address. When you're inside ClickBank, go to the marketplace and search for products. These are the best selling products. We take Java Burn. This is their sales page. So this is a weight loss supplement and it boosts the metabolism. So that's good to know. If you have your product, click on promote, put in your account nickname and generate your hop link. The next step, you go to this site called beacons.ai. Sign up. It's also easy to join and it's free. When you're signed up, you're on this page. This is my Beacons page. It looks like this. Then you want to personalize it. Go on design. Choose a design you like. When you have your design, take this one. Go to my page. Go to the header. Put in a profile picture. Then your display name. Close this one. Text. Then we go back to the sales page. Take this text. Copy. Paste. Save. And now it shows the text. Then we go to links, add a new link, title. As title we take try Java Burn. As subtitle we copy this limited time offer and we need the affiliate link. So we go back, copy our link and paste it. And now we have our link over here. And this is the page. So on my page I have also the text here, the affiliate disclosure, so everybody knows that I get a part of the sale if they buy the product. If you have this page, you are going to sign up for the free traffic source. And we use TikTok. If you don't want to use TikTok, that's not a problem. You can also use Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts to make money with this method. Or you can use all three together. And now we need a video to post. It's okay if you don't want to show your face. There are a lot of faceless channels on TikTok. For the faceless channel video, you want to go to this website called canva.com. It's also free. Create a design and then search TikTok and you get the TikTok Canva. And now we need a stock video for this. We go to pexels.com and here we search for a video for weight loss. And we want a video and we want the orientation vertical for our TikTok video. And then search a video you like. I take this one. They are free to use, free download, and now they are downloading to your computer. When the download is finished, go back to Canva, go on uploads, upload media, and upload the video, and then just paste it over here and set as background. And now we have 9 seconds video. This is the background video. We are going to put text on this video, but we do the final edits in TikTok. Now download the video and put it on your phone. When we have your video, go back to TikTok and sign in. Click on the plus, on upload, take your video, click on next. Now we have the video, click next, put in a sound you like. I take this one. When you have the sound, go to text. And now we need some text for our video. So I went on Google and searched 5 ways to boost your metabolism, because the product is about that and will help you. And now we add the text to the video. Just type in 5 ways to boost your metabolism and on done. Then edit make it red. And then the next text, take first exercise more, do it green, and set duration, and we don't want it from the start, we just take it for 1.5 seconds, 1.3 seconds. And now the next weight train, and so on. If you're done, click on next, put in a video description, 5 ways to boost metabolism, and a few relevant hashtags like weight loss or something like that. And then you have the video, click on post or save it as a draft. And now you know what to do with the videos. Try to post 1 video or more per day and grow your TikTok channel. And here I have an example page, Dave's weight loss. He has over 500,000 followers and he's doing the same, but he shows his face. If you show your face, the channel is more personal and people are more likely to trust you and buy products from you. And look what he's doing, almost same like we did. 5 benefits of quitting junk food, 5 benefits of this, 5 benefits of that. If you have your channel, put in your description, and if you have over 1,000 followers, you can put in your link. The one we made over here from Beacons, just copy the link and insert the link over here. If you're not able to put in a link, just write the link over here. People have to type it manually, but they will do it if you make good videos. And if you post a lot of videos, you get followers fast. And now you just need to copy the method I just showed you and start your own TikTok channel. I really believe that you have enjoyed this video. If so, please give this video a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell, because then you will be the first one who sees my new videos. If you don't like this method, check out this Make Money Online strategy I'm currently trying.